Hello, parents! In this very quick tutorial, we will cover how you can view your child's Student Spotlight mini movie video. Ready? Let's go! If you have an account, great! You're all set. If you need to create an account, please go ahead and do so. First, we log in, like this, using our current account credentials. Once you are logged in, you will notice that we may have automatically added your child's video. You will notice that you have a Spotlight video and that you have a Place Video Order button. You'll also notice that you have your other children's photos or past photos, etc. associated with your account. If, for some reason, you don't have a Place Video Order button, click the chat in the bottom right corner and we'll help you add it. If you have your video code, you can simply add the video yourself by clicking on Add Child and using a customer number or a session number. Once you are ready to view your video, just click on Place Video Order. This will take you to the page where you will actually get to see the video. Yay! If you click on the play button, your video will begin playing. Important! You only get 2 plays before you have to purchase. Here you'll see we only have 1 play left. Again, kindly remember that if you play your children's video more than 2 times, sorry, you won't be able to continue viewing it without purchasing. Purchasing your video will give you unlimited plays. Now there are different package options down here at the bottom. You can get Package A, Package B, or Package C. Package A is a video stream. This basically allows you to share or play your video an unlimited number of times from our website. Package B is the video download, which will give you permission to download the video. That means that you can do whatever you want with it. Or opt for Package C, which for a discounted price gets you both the stream and the download. Cool, huh? Selecting is simple. Let's say you want Package C. You just click on Package C and add to cart. Next, you click on Review Order and Check Out. On the checkout page, scroll down, fill out your information, and you will be well on your way to receiving your child's video. No waiting! It will be delivered to you directly with a link in your confirmation email seconds after you place your order. If you want to learn more about our videos, just click on the video link from the United Portraits homepage. This will display everything about our Student Spotlight and about our other Spotlight videos. You can learn how it works, see examples, or sign up. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to chat with us. Enjoy your video!